Hey there and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add variants to your Shopify store. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So first of all, you have to go to the Shopify dashboards on your store. Okay. So after going there, you have to okay. You see this option called advert. Okay, the side option is not showing properly. Wait, let me find the option. Okay, you have to tap onto this option called products. From there you have to scroll down to the very bottom of the page. Okay, so after scrolling down to the bottom of the page, you will find this option. Okay, yeah, add a variant. Okay, let me find the screenshot. Wait a second. Like after just scrolling down to the bottom, you will find this option like variants. It will say that add a variant. Okay, and from there you can, like after going to the products, you have to scroll down to the bottom, and from there you can add variants. Like you can customize it, you can add customs information, add custom options like size or color. Here you can see that you can add option name, option values. You can choose their weight like in kgs. Also you can choose their weights in pounds if you click on this option. So after then you can customize all the information here. So for example, you can also choose the color like small, medium, large or double large, and you can customize your prices like for the small variants, medium variants, large variants. You can choose your amount. So after then here you can see that it has changed the color. From there you can see this one, this is heading over to the left side and this is heading over to the right side. Okay, this is how the variants work. You can customize it. So also you can see this mug's color, it will change a little bit. So this is how you can add variants to your Shopify store. Let me repeat once again. First of all, you have to head over to the Shopify store dashboard. Then you can see this option called products. Okay, tap onto this and you will have to scroll down to the bottom of the page, and you will see an option called add variants, and from there you can customize all the things you want. Okay, so this was the video. If this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.